Florence Nightingale was a British social reformer, a statistician, and the founder of modern nursing. Born in 1820 to a wealthy family. Despite her parents' disapproval of the nursing profession, she felt a divine calling to care for the sick and pursued her passion. Eventually, gaining prominence for her work with soldiers during the Crimean War. Her background in a prominent family provided her with the education and the social connections necessary to later advocate for major public health reforms. Florence Nightingale's environmental theory is one of her most significant contributions to nursing. It posits that the patient's environment plays a crucial role in their recovery and overall health. Key components of this theory include clean air, ensuring proper ventilation to prevent the spread of airborne diseases. Clean water, access to pure water is essential for health and hygiene. Efficient drainage, proper waste disposal to avoid contamination and disease. Cleanliness, maintaining a clean environment to prevent infections. Light, natural light is vital for mental well-being and Florence Nightingale advocated for cleanliness because she witnessed how unsanitary environments led to massive, preventable deaths during the Crimean War. She believed that a clean, healthy environment was essential to allow the body to heal itself. Florence Nightingale advocated for pure water because she observed a direct link between contaminated water and the spread of infectious diseases, particularly during the Crimean War. She made pure water one of the 5 essential components of her environmental theory, which focused on manipulating a patient's surroundings to promote healing. Florence Nightingale wanted direct sunlight for patients because she believed it was a vital component of a healing environment. Her observations during the Crimean War led her to develop the environmental theory, which posited that controlling a patient's surroundings was key to their recovery. Florence Nightingale insisted on fresh air for patients because she believed that polluted air was the primary source of disease and that clean air was essential for body's natural healing process. She made this the very first principle of her nursing theory, based on her observations during the Crimean War. Florence Nightingale's theory teaches that nursing is the act of using a patient's environment to aid in their recovery by manipulating factors like fresh air, clean water, efficient drainage, cleanliness, and light. Her work, especially the environmental theory, laid the foundation for modern nursing by highlighting the importance of a patient's surroundings and sanitation in healing. Key components include managing the environment for ventilation, hygiene, and comfort, while also emphasizing observation, communication, and patient well-being. Dear Florence Nightingale, With deepest respect and gratitude, we remember your legacy and give thanks for your profound impact on healthcare and humanity. You transformed nursing from an often demanded occupation into a respected and noble profession, and your vision continues to inspire every nurse who has followed in your footsteps.
Three, two, one!